Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Confirm at tuloy-tuloy na ang pag-guest, pag-compete ng ating mahalima sa K-pop World Festival na gaganapin sa San Antonio, Texas. Just announced at pinost ito ng Alamo Dome. Just announced, K-pop World Festival and Worldwide Dance Competition. Hindi lang ito singing kundi dancing din. Music fans from around the world are preparing to descend upon San Antonio for SA's first global K-pop World. Tandaan, October 28 to 31 this year. K-pop World Festival and Worldwide Dance Competition is also featuring an international vendor village delivering an immersive 4-day experience at the Alamo Dome. October 28 to 31 po yan. Wednesday, July 22, 10 a.m. City pre-sale. Thursday, July 23, 10 a.m. City Public on sale. Isipin nyo, only Filipino act SB19 ang nakapasok dito. Competition at performances ang ating masaksihan sa K-pop World Festival na gaganapin sa Texas, USA. Maraming mga K-pop singers ang kanilang makakasama sa isang kompetisyon. Kaya naman good luck at congratulations SB19 at maraming salamat 18.